Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now you might have read from the title that it is a big video for me because I got a biggest PR of my life, like of my career till date, and that is from Color Bar. I just wanted to make this video to keep it as a memory so that when I look back I realize that how far I came, and this is such a huge milestone for me. I received not one but two big boxes of Color Bar, as you can see, and it is huge. All right, and I'm gonna be showing you what I got inside these two boxes, like huge boxes. To see what I've got from the brand, please hold on tight and watch the video till the end. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go check that out. You're missing on something which is really fun. I will be hosting a giveaway pretty soon on there, so my Instagram will be mentioned somewhere on the screen so that it is easy for you to land on my page. Also in the description bar for you all, just a click and you'll be there on my Instagram. Now without any further ado, to see what I got in the PR package from Color Bar, which is a huge deal for me, let's just get into the video. As I have shown you, I have got such huge PR from the brand. It is layer on layer makeup sent to me by the brand. I really feel grateful and appreciative. I will be picking out the stuff in no particular order of preference and liking. Whatever is in my hand, I'm going to be showing you that, and we'll show you what I exactly got in the PR. So to start with, the first thing that I got is the Color Bar Brow Full Shaping and Defining Kit. I mean, just look at how classy the packaging is. You will be stunned when you see the packaging for everything. It reminds me of a brand, a very luxurious brand. I really don't want to mess it up, but it looks something like this, and once you open it, it is like this. Now I have used this product for the look that I've created for my Instagram, so you can go and check that out. It is an amazing look. I will be screenshotting it here so that you can see what I exactly created. And I really love this brow powder. The best thing about this product, apart from the actual product, really is the spoolie, the brushes that we get with it. And not just that, you get a tweezer, and the tweezers are amazing. All right, so I really love this product. It is a magnetic closure, as you can see, so it just clasps on on its own, and it is really satisfying. And if you know me, you'd know I really enjoy the brow product, so it's a thumbs up from my side. And this is the first product. Now moving on to the next product. The next product that I received is the Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. Really love this product. I mean, it is a very hydrating primer. Also, it protects you from the blue light. Very lightweight. I really recommend this if you use if you like using the serums or the oils as your base product, so you definitely would enjoy this. It is for ₹850, and the best part about this is that it is non-greasy and it feels almost invisible once blended, and it leaves behind a fresh hydrated appearance on your skin. So if you are a kind of a makeup lover who loves really hydrating and glossy base, it is such a good product for you. You definitely must try this one. The next product that I received is the Visibly Better Moisturizing Creme, and let me tell you guys, this product is amazing. I just used this once, and look at the consistency. It is so thick and really good for somebody with a dry skin. The Visibly Better Moisturizing Creme is paraben free, sulfate free, alcohol free, does not contain mineral oil, artificial colors or fragrance, and is 100% cruelty free. Apart from all these benefits, it has SPF of 20, which is such a good thing. You get 25 grams of a product in this whole tub, and it is for ₹850. If you want to buy, definitely you can go and buy it. It is for the dry skin family. So if you want to buy any of the products that I show in this video, it is assured that I have approved them and I've liked them and I've loved them, so you can go ahead and buy them. The next thing that I got is this Spotlight Illuminating Lotion, and oh my god, if you love that dewy base, then girl, go get this one, because this will be such a game changer. It is such a great product. It leaves that iridescent glow on your skin. You apply it before makeup as your base, and I really love this product, and I'm very sure that once you start using it, there's no way back from it. I mean, you are gonna get hooked onto it like I am now. So definitely will try this one more in the videos upcoming on my Instagram, so that you can get the hang of it. Like, you can know what exactly it looks like on the skin. It gives a very iridescent glow. It is 30 ml, again, good quantity there, and I really love how it just pops up. Look at that. So it is a really nice product. So if you want, you can definitely give this one a try. So the next thing that I got, and I think it has become one of my favorites, is their foundation. It is the new foundation basically. It is the Colorbar 24-hour weightless liquid foundation. It looks something like this. So the uni carton looks like this, and the actual packaging is like this. Now my shade is FW 1.3 if you are wondering, and it comes with a pump. Alright, so this is something that I really love, because I really love these kind of products in which you don't have to dig again and again, because it's not very hygienic. So this kind of thing is very useful and very hygienic too. Also, the quantity that you get in this is 25 ml, and it retails for $9.95 if you are wondering. It is very lightweight, and long lasting, with medium to full buildable coverage. I think I really have found one of my staples now, and if you wanted to, you can definitely buy this. The next product that I received is the Perfect Match Primer, and this is how the uni carton looks again, and this is how the primer looks. It is very satiny. It gives the very satiny feel. Also, it helps you to conceal the texture on your skin and even the fine lines. So it is really nice product for that. It really gives a very smooth base for your makeup to put on. So if you were looking for a primer that does all of that, I think your hunt is over, and this is one of those. Now for the quantity of this is 30 ml, and the retail price is 850 rupees. So if you want to buy this, I think it is definitely one of those products which most of the people ignore, but it does wonders. So if you want me to make more of these kind of videos, like where I unbox my PRs with you, then you definitely please leave a comment down below, so that I can make them for you. So yeah, this is the primer that I'm absolutely loving. Now we move on to the next product that I've received. The next thing that I received is the 24-hour wear weightless powder foundation, and again, the uni carton itself says that the packaging is going to be amazing. It looks something like this. I really love how this packaging looks. It is so classy to me that I keep looking at it. Again, it has this magnetic closure, which I absolutely dig. Something that I play with all the time while I'm doing my makeup, trust you me. And this is again a very nice foundation powder. So yeah, if you talk about the retail price, it retails for almost 1000 rupees, which is 995 rupees, and the quantity on it is 9.5 grams. Again, cruelty free products. All the Colorbar products are cruelty free, which is such a good thing according to me. And yeah, I think I really love the packaging, the products, everything from Colorbar. I'm really digging at the moment, so I would suggest you to have it in your vanity if you want. So this is the next thing that I received from the brand. So the next product that I received is the Flawless Touch Contour and Highlight Kit from Colorbar. The contour powder in it is absolutely my favorite. I have used it once. If you want to see how it looks on the skin, then you can definitely go on my Instagram and check the look that I've created using these products. So it comes with an illuminator on one side and the bronzer powder on the other. It is such a versatile product to have. If you want to buy it, then definitely go for it. Again, if you talk about the price, it is rupees 850, and you get 12 grams of a product in this. So definitely a thumbs up from my side. If you want to buy, you can definitely go for it. I really love the contour powder on it, and if you want, you can definitely splurge onto it and can have this in your vanity. So the next product that I received is their Bewitching eyeshadow palette. The Unicarton looks something like this and the product looks like this. It reminds me so much of that luxurious brand that I told you about in the very beginning, and it is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. It comes with a mirror. Also it has like 4 shades with a brush applicator here. Now with this you can create very soft and sultry eyes. I am in awe of the packaging itself, I'm not even kidding, and the pigmentation. If I talk about the texture first, let's talk about the texture, how it is. It is a very velvety, velvety soft texture. It glides onto your lids and blends very beautifully. I have used this palette in the look that I've created, very smoothly blended. Also the color payoff is extremely rich, so if you want to buy it, then definitely go for it. It is a must have in your vanity, if I may. If I can suggest you one thing out of the whole lot, I think it is this. I mean, I cannot actually, I love everything, but this has my heart. It is a very beautiful product, very beautiful eyeshadow, comes very handy. You can travel with it, you can keep it in your purse however you like. So this is the next thing that I got in the PR package that I received. Now moving on, I've got another palette which I'll be showing you in a bit. So the next palette that I received is their Nude 12 palette. It looks something like this, the Unicarton, and the palette is gorgeous and amazing. Comes with 12 different colors and a brush. Let me show you the palette itself. It comes with a very generously sized mirror. I really love palettes with big mirror. Also it comes with the film on the mirror, which I'll be removing later. Also has a brush, and look at the gorgeous shades that it has. I really enjoyed using this palette for my look, and I cannot really tell you how happy palettes make me, and this is one of those palettes which make me really happy. It retails for 1800 rupees if I have to tell you the price. And also it is not their new launch. Basically it's an old palette of theirs, but I received it in my package and I'm absolutely grateful for it because I love palettes in general. So yeah, this is one of the next things that I've got in my PR package. Talking of the palettes, the next palette that I've got is the highlighter palette. It is such a great palette. I mean, I really love glowing to the gods, and highlighters make me really happy. It is their Glow Crazy highlighter palette and it looks something like this. Now it comes with 3 different shades all together and a protective layer on top of it. It comes so handy. Now look at the highlighters. Actually, they are blinding to the gods. I'm not even kidding. Like one swatch and you'd see, oh god, it just is amazing. And I really am happy that I got this variant. This is the bombshell variant of the 2 highlighter palettes that they have, and I really love something champagne gold. These are the colors, these are my jams basically when it comes to highlighters, and I received them. So I'm happy with this, that I got this in my PR package, and I'm definitely going to be using and abusing this to the point where it just hits the pan for me. So yeah, that's the next thing that I've got in my PR package, and I absolutely am in love with it like the other things in the package. The next product that I received is their eyeliner. It is their all matte eyeliner and it is in the color Matte Black 001. The packaging looks something like this. It comes with a very fine tip applicator, so you can have a very good wing altogether if you want. With it, very black, very matte. If you want to buy it, is cruelty free. Also it is halal approved. I can see it on the packaging. It says now this is 2.5 grams of a product, and if you want, it is a good eyeliner, you can definitely have this. So yeah, that's the next product that I received in the box. So the next product that I received is really interesting. It is actually a mascara, but it is also a growth booster mascara. So it is the 30-day growth booster daily treatment mascara. Now what it says is that you can use this product for 30 days and you can see the visible difference in your eyelashes. The length of the eyelashes would improve. So it says it is a 2-in-1 growth boosting mascara. Also it says that it doesn't lump, smudge or flake. So I think it is such a unique product because I have not seen any mascara like that which claims these kind of things. You can use the mascara itself and also get the benefit of having your lash grown. So it looks something like this. The brush applicator is something like this. This is such a fancy product that I've never heard of before, so definitely definitely I'm going to be trying it and reviewing it very shortly, like in 30 days maybe, on my Instagram, so keep an eye on that. For that, you'll just have to go to my Instagram and follow me there for the updates that I post. And yeah, that is that for the next product in the box. So the next product that I received is again the eye product. It is the Moon Lava eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow, and it is so stunning because it has reflexes, of different colors all together. The pigmentation, as you can see, is really beautiful. It is such a great product to have, very multifunctional. It retails for 850 rupees and it has 3.5 grams of a product. The reflexes on it is amazing. I got the Galaxy variant. It has many other variants too, so you can check them out as well. I really love this variant because it just gives that very beautiful galaxy kind of eye look. That is why I think they have named the product Galaxy. So yeah, it is such a great topper on your eyeshadow as well. So it has multiple uses. Definitely if you want that quick application of eye makeup, then you can definitely go for it. It is such a nice product to have, a very quick, very versatile, and I cannot rave much about it. So yeah, that's the another eye product that I received in this box that I received from Colorbar itself. The last product in terms of eyes are these gorgeous eyelashes. Now look at the packaging. I really love the Unicarton. The variant is Full Night Out and it is the 004 variant. I really love how these lashes actually look. If you can see, they're very wispy. It also comes with a little glue, which comes really handy while you are traveling, while you're doing your client's makeup, while you're doing your makeup, and you don't have the glue on you. You can definitely use the glue which is available in it. These are 3D forming lashes and you can wear them like for 20 times in a row. Obviously you have to maintain these eyelashes if you want to wear it for 20 times, but yeah, these can be worn for 20 times, which is such a great bargain in terms of eyelashes, because these come expensive, right? And if you can use it for 20 times, then you definitely save a lot of money there. So yeah, that's the next product that I received. Let me show you the blush that I got, and look at the blush. The packaging is something like this. Now this is the Cheek Illusion blush and the color that I got is the Coral Craving 009. It retails for 675 rupees. Very nice color when it comes to the blush. I really love colors like this. It looks really nice on the Indian skin tones, and it has a very lightweight and silky texture which just blends like magic into your skin. And I have used this product and I enjoy it so much that I use it on a daily basis now. I think I found my another staple, and that's that. Yeah, that's the last face product that I received in this PR box. Now moving on to the final products. Yes, we have more. These are the final products though, and these are the lip products that I received. I've received 3 lip products. So let's start with the lip liner. So the lip liner that I received looks something like this. I mean, the Unicarton looks something like this, and the actual lip liner is like this. It is the You Go Girl lip liner in the shade Pucker Up. I mean, just look at the color. I don't know if you can see, but I'll be including the product shot so that you can see it very nicely and beautifully. It is such a smooth lip liner. I'm not just saying because I've received the products. I'm saying this because I have tried them and I've absolutely loved them. And this glides onto your lips really smoothly, very silky texture. And the best thing is it is matte and it lasts long, like throughout the day it would last you, and very lightweight. You won't actually feel it on your lips, and it is water resistant. So I think this is everything that you want in a lip liner, and I received it. I'm so grateful. Again, I'm telling you again and again that I'm grateful for it because I have worked extremely hard to get to this point. And this is not the free stuff that I received just like that. It comes with a lot of hard work, trust you me, and I am really appreciative of everything that I've received. However, with that being said, let's move on to the next lip product. Like it is the second to last product that I've received in the box. It is the Kiss Proof Lip Stain in the color Fame Game. I really love this color, and it is such a nice nude. I know by now you know that how much I love nudes. And the brush applicator, if you look at the brush applicator, it is so nice, and the application with it is so smooth. It glides so beautifully onto your lips. Very comfortable, velvety formula, lasts long. I mean, it is that kind of a lipstick which you wear once and forgets throughout the day. At least I had that experience. Obviously, if you're eating something really oily, it will come off, but it is very long lasting, and I really enjoy this color especially, and in this formula. It is their lip stain. I'm definitely going to be using it more on a daily basis, because this is the kind of color that I really always look forward to. It is one of my favorite picks every time when I'm picking a lipstick to apply. So yeah, that's the second to last product that I received in my box. And now moving on to the last product. So are you ready for the last product that I received? I received this Starry Flip lip color. It is such a unique product, like, just like the mascara that I've shown you. This is also a very unique and innovative product. Now it looks something like this. It is actually a lipstick, but you have to let it go dry before you actually press your lips together, and you'll get a very sparkly lip altogether. And I really love the color. It comes in various variants, and I got this one. So it is the Starry Flip lip color in the color Out and About, and I absolutely love it. It looks so good onto your lips. Like, you can definitely tell it in person. You get this golden, a glitter, a speck of glitter, or you can say sparkles onto your lips when you press them. And as much as you keep pressing them, it reveals its actual colors. So yeah, it is very innovative in terms of the formulation and everything. Very comfortable on your lips. Nothing like a glitter would affect you, or it would be a hindrance, or be uncomfortable. It is nothing like that. It is very comfortable. And yeah, so that is the end of everything that I've received in this box. I tried keeping everything very short and quick, and I really tried that I give you maximum information in a limited period of time. If you like this video, then please do give this a very big thumbs up, and also comment down below with the favorite product that you think I received. Also, if you want to check me out on my Instagram, my details will be mentioned somewhere on the screen and the description bar for you all. So please be generous and go and follow me there on my Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Also, my trail details will be mentioned in the description for you all. If you like Punjabi videos, then you can definitely go and see the various videos that I put there. Now, if you like me unboxing more such videos, please let me know in the comments. I will make another unboxing video for you all, and I hope and pray for everyone who is struggling to get their first PR, because they are working hard. See, nothing comes easy. You have to work hard. If you are working hard, I pray that you get your first big deal, like the first big PR, really soon. And with that being said, I'll take your leave now, and I'll see you the next time. Till then, keep spreading love and be happy, and make others really happy around you. Bye.